This is the 2007 Harley Davidson StreetBob. It is 6 gears, 1600 cc's. That's a 96-inch engine. It's belt drive. After 2007, they're all fuel injected, so that's good. Looks like it's quite a rake. It's not. That's 29 degrees. The Softail is, I think, 36, so this has less of a rake, so it should have better handling. I find it to have better handling. It's got the thick forks down on the bottom, so that's nice. Gives me a nice heavy look. Looks very similar to the Street Glide, Super Glide, sorry, the Super Glide. There's some differences. The engine has some gun silver color, not all blacked out. Although it's got the pegs, you'd think it's a Super Glide because it has the 2-up, but those 2-ups were installed. So the Super Glide, if I'm correct, comes with that out of the factory. So it's very similar to the Super Glide, but it's not the Super Glide, it's a StreetBob. It's got the ape hangers, big ape hangers on, very thick. And yeah, it's got 18 liters fuel tank. That's almost 5 gallons, 4.7. So that's pretty good. You got a lot of range on that. What else can I say about this bike? It's real nice. Single disc brake on the front, single disc brake on the back. But I've been riding it around and I have really great stopping power. So we'll take on a test drive. We'll take her on the highway, get some fast speed, and then let's take her around some windies with some hills. It can be a little bit more challenging, up and down some hills with some windies. Let's do a walk around real quick. Yep, she's real nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I don't think that comes standard. That's the long bullet light. Real nice. You got the crash bars with the crash pegs, highway pegs. I prefer to call them crash pegs because if you drop this, you're not going to hurt the bike at all. It's just going to rest on that, which is real cool. Engine's looking good. I'll probably end up putting some Screaming Eagle spark plugs in there. One thing I can say is it's got the Screaming Eagle pipes, which are not as loud as the Vance and Hines, but she's still giving a really good sound with those Screaming Eagle pipes, which is a good sign. I mean, if it sounds good with that, then you know it's going to be incredible when you put the Vance and Hines on. And yeah, I like the detail. I like the small details in there. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. It's real nice. You know, that's so pleasant on the eye when you're riding. It's got all these little extras, and she's in great shape. She's in great shape. All right. Not much of a tunnel. Whoops, got a little bit of a slip. I was really gonna go fast. This is my going fast road. Whoa! And then we're at 100. That was very quick. I think yeah. I got to 100, I don't know, what was that, 3 seconds? We'll have to check the video. I was going at about 45, and then I punched it and I got to 100 pretty quick. Should I be a bit of a jerk here? No, because there are cars that are going to turn in here. So it's not worth the risk. Okay. I'm really taking a risk to get on this highway. I just want to pick up some speed with you guys. And cannot do that back home. You got to get on these bigger roads. Go ahead and do that. And yeah, it's 8 bars. You got to like turn with your head, look to where you want to go. Let's take this gap. Alrighty, there's a little bit too much traffic for me to go fast. I did get to 140. Yeah, I did get to 140. Yeah, the brakes are good. So, as you can see, you gotta keep your eyes on your goodies. I've got this camera strap right in front of me. These are honest folks, these are good folks, they're just trying to sell stuff, but a lot of the times, in between the good folks, there could be somebody just trying to reach for your stuff. You look out for that. I would take that middle lane, but there's a guy in the middle. And this is where loud pipes come in handy. Go, 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 make the light, go, 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 go. Yeah, we made a light. We made the light. And now we can see how she handles in traffic. Handles real well. As you can see, real nice. Woo! Oh no, there's some water. I'm gonna have to get in here. Hate to be rude, but I'm not gonna ride through that water. Hey, buddy. Right, let's pull over. Kickstand's a little bit difficult to find on this bike. Really killed our vibe. We're gonna have to get in front of it. In as least obnoxious as possible. So let her know that I'm here. Inch in front. Okay, let her know again. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty loud. And take it. Come on, let me take. Oh man. Yeah, she's got all the power. Save my brakes. I'm going to use the engine brake. Yep. Oh man, I would have loved to have gone down there. Look at that. Oh, let's get some space between us. I'm going to slow down so we can really take that corner. Nobody behind me. Okay, there's a bit of sand, so we're going to be careful. And let's go. I hit a bit of a speed wobble. My tires are quite smooth. Whoa, speed bump. There was a hole there just out of nowhere. Yeah, I want to go in front. I want to go in front. I need to go in front, like. Beautiful, beautiful.